Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can control your iPhone's ringtone volume using the physical volume buttons on your iPhone. If your iPhone's ringtone volume does not change with the volume buttons and you can only change the volume of media playback with these buttons, then this guide is for you. Let's jump right into it. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app. Scroll down a little and tap on Sounds and Haptics option. This is where you will find all your sound related settings. Under the ringtone and alerts section, you will find the toggle for change with buttons. Simply turn it on. When this feature is enabled, pressing the volume up or volume down buttons will change your ringtone and alert volume, not just the media volume. Above that toggle, you will see the ringtone and alert volume slider. You can drag this slider to manually adjust the volume or simply use the volume buttons now that the toggle is enabled. And that's it. You have successfully enabled the option to adjust ringtone volume using the volume buttons on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips, tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching.